Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Product Focus Friday. Going up late, I apologize. We're going to start playing with Carta Beach Party today. It was a scrap room kit I had, and we're going to document photos of us. It's not really a beach, but kind of like a beach, playing at the water at this park in the Black Hills in South Dakota. So I'm going to pick out what photos I want to do, and we're going to play with this. We're also supposed to focus on tools this month. Carta is our collection or our manufacturer or whatever, and tools is our scrapbooking supply. And today we're going to play with this fancy scissors. So I think I'm going to cut some borders. We're going to do borders on borders on borders, and we might just do like a grid layout. That kind of sounds like fun. So let me get some papers figured out. I went through these kits a little bit at my intro video for the month, or my plans video for the month, so you can check them out there. But let me pick out some photos and some papers and get cutting, and I'll get my fancy scissors out. We'll be back. All right, I started working without you. I'm sorry. This is also going up late. Another reason I started working without you. But I apologize. Okay, so I decided, I haven't used these papers. But what I've done so far is, ta-da! Got all my photos trimmed down to 3.5 by 3.5, and I matted them on, it was like starfish paper. I just really like the blue and the pops of the colors and behind it. I enjoyed it. And then I trimmed down the yellow piece. And used the scissors that I think is called Ripple. Yep, this Fisker's Ripple. And I went all the way around. And how I did that was to make sure it was straight. Is I took a piece of washi tape and taped it down using my grid mat. So I had an even space, and then I cut along the washi tape, because at least then you have a guideline to make sure it's straight. Otherwise, I mean, I can't cut straight with the straight scissors, but like you add these design scissors in and it goes everywhere. So I did that, glued that down, and this is actually just, it was a leftover piece from something else. So I glued that down, and then I did that to the leftover of this. I did a different scissors. I did a different shaped scissors. Which one is this one? This one? Doesn't have a name. This is an off-brand. And I realized, which was fun while I was doing this, I had a set of this off-brand with the exact same design on it. So yeah, this one, which is kind of like it, but it's a little bit different. And I thought about yet using another one, but I put a stop there because only so many funky scissors, I think, are allowed. But then so I'm going to leave this so it spreads across the page. And I was going to tuck in some of this red star paper, I think, behind it, just to make that design show up a little bit more. And then you can't tell, is it the red paper that's cut or the striped paper that's cut? But I liked that idea. And then I think I'm just going to I'm torn. I kind of like the idea of doing it over here, but then I also thought about, I'll just flip this for ease, doing this over here, but I feel like that's how all my pages it's always on the left side. And then we could also go across and across. That's all. How do I feel about that? Kind of like that too. And then my title, I'd have a little more room because I was gonna put my title. This is just a random picture of like how clear the water was, pretty much. And so I was thinking about doing this big sticker of Sun and Fun and put it just over the sticker right there. And then I was gonna do one of the banners, these banner stickers I was going to do up in the corner was my thought, and then we could decorate with more stickers. So maybe we'll do that. I kind of like the stripes up there, but I also kind of like them over here. Well, let me get this glued down. I'll think about this a little more, and you'll be surprised because it'll be there when I come back. All right, I decided this way. It was originally how I wanted to do it. So I did a banner up here. I did it too short. So I added the last two pieces down here by the title. This is an old Heidi Swap chapters, like long ago when it came in the like plastic containers with the sorted things. Label or a journaling spot I had just kind of up here. The red matches, so I journaled about that. Put a little chair there. I was going to go through the stickers and see what else we got. What else can we decorate with? I've got a bunch of stickers and some ephemera pieces. So we kind of got a cluster down here, so I need like another one like up over here or something. Something over there as well, because then the title doesn't really count, right? I was gonna try and look for maybe some enamel dots that I could put. These ones kind of match. These two are like both in between. I was gonna try to put, to give that something, and then I can add some more over here. I like that I got my journaling there. Yeah, let's do. Okay. I kind of like this bigger tag up over here. Kind of make a statement. Except for it's not salty. Kind of cover that up with something else. And add some a camera. There we go. There. Then I get my big cluster. Right. Okay, just get some string. There we go. And a few more of these bad boys. Set. Thank you so much for watching. I apologize for this going up late. Hopefully I can get my button gear. There we go. Use the fancy scissors. Next week, or this, I should say this coming Friday, this next Friday is sketch pens. Yay. So I'm gonna go figure that out right now. All right. Thanks for watching.